Forming a one-person company, OPC, in India involves steps and regulatory requirements. 1. Obtain a digital signature certificate, DSC first. Acquire a digital signature certificate, DSC, for the OPC director from certified agencies. It's vital for signing registration documents digitally. 2. Obtain director identification number, DIN. The subsequent step involves obtaining a director identification number, DIN, for the proposed director by submitting Form DAR-3 to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, MCA. If the director already possesses a DIN, this step can be omitted. 3. Name reservation. Choose a unique name for your OPC that complies with MCA's guidelines, and apply for name reservation online using Form SPICE Plus. 4. Memorandum and Articles of Association, MOA and AOA. Draft the MOA and AOA for your OPC, outlining its objectives and internal rules. Consider professional guidance for this crucial step. 5. Application for incorporation. Complete the incorporation application by submitting Form SPICE Plus with essential documents, such as the MOA and AOA, and provide details of the proposed director and nominee director. 6. PAN and TN application. Apply for a permanent account number, PAN, and tax deduction and collection account number, TAN, for your OPC through the MCA's portal or the NSDL website. 7. Registered office address. You must have a registered office address for your OPC. Provide the necessary documents to prove the registered office's ownership or lease agreement, along with a no objection certificate, NOC, from the property owner. 8. Consent and declaration. The proposed director and nominee director must sign Form Inc. 3 to consent to their roles as directors and submit Form Inc. 9, confirming their clean record in company management. 9. Filing fees payment. Pay the requisite filing fees for the incorporation process as per the MCA's fee schedule. Payment can be made online through the MCA portal. 10. Certificate of Incorporation. After the MCA reviews your application and documents, you'll obtain the Certificate of Incorporation, COA, confirming your OPC's official existence. 11. Commencement of business. An OPC can commence its business operations after obtaining the COI. However, it must file a declaration of commencement of business within 180 days from the date of incorporation.